Africa Content TV.
I don't change your name, though. I don't buy more to God. They say your market's no good, say. And then we say you no go blow, but God do it, them listen that. Make them try their luck, now God do it. No, now God do it, no, now God do it, no. Anything I do, now God do it, God do it, now God do it, no. As you don't pass exam, and then they say you no go pass. You want to see today, that's all. Robbers, they rob, they don't see you, my brother. They don't see you, my sister. Oh, yeah, I love us. God do it, oh, now God do it, oh, now God do it, now. Anything I do, now God do it, oh, now God do it, oh, now God. Listen. By your wedding day, and you don't pay when you did my mom. See, we don't push some men today. Oh, you do need dance to God. Priscilla, come here. Anything you win, now God win. And if you win the election, Priscilla, I said, if you win the contract, my friend, I said, if you check the countdown, my brother. And if your market say now God do it, no, now God do it, no, now God do it. Anything you do, now God do it, no, now God do it, no, now God do it, no. I say already did that. Oh, now God do it, no, now God do it, no. Anything you win, now God do it, no, now God do it, no. Now God do it, no. I already did that. I love you guys, congratulations.
Ladies and gentlemen, the golden boy of David, Daniel, the full-grown man now. Corridor Bello, thank you for coming out. So we're going straight to the cake. We're going straight to the cake stand. Ladies and gentlemen, I'll begin with this service. If I do not announce to you that two great Nigerians just walked in.
Come.
Odogu Palo.
Sorry,
Odogu Palo. Odogu Palo, where you at? And also coming in as one of the greatest football stars to ever come out of the continent of Africa. One of the greatest dribblers to ever play the round leather game. Former captain of the Nigerian Super Eagles. We call him Austin JJ Okocha. Ladies and gentlemen, celebrate a legendary icon of African football. All right. These guys they're just in a world of their own. I tell you, there's nothing as sweet as husband and wife gossip. And I see it in your eyes, you people gossip. I can see it. Like, gossip is sweet. One time, everybody, let's go say one time. So, ladies and gentlemen, we're going to go to the cutting of the cake. All right, DJ, stop it. Thank you, thank you. Can I have the couple stand by their cake?
It's time to cut the cake.